Welcome to Technopool Testing Facilities. Technopool's mission is to develop advanced, custom-made and reliable solutions. Today, I will introduce you to the last evolution of our TP spiral oven, an innovative solution that redefines the traditional oven concept. Its major benefits are increased thermal efficiency, energy savings, and easier cleaning operations. The position of radiation pipes and the proximity to the product, combined with a greater efficiency of heat penetration, allow to obtain a product with higher oven spring and a lower specific weight. The spiral system allows customers to make the most of their space and height, thus minimizing footprint requirements. The baking surface, placed inside the spiral chamber, rises vertically and creates the perfect baking curve for all types of products. Food products can be baked directly on mash, pans, trays, or on silicone mats. The spiral oven can work at different temperatures controlled by a primary and secondary loop to suit customers' unique product requirements. The baking chamber can integrate forced convection zones to homogenize color differences and black body effect. The small infeed and outfeed, together with the low thermal mass of the conveyor, lead to significant improvements in thermal efficiency. Moreover, the spiral's low thermal inertia and the thermal exchange efficiency allows extreme flexibility with baking diagrams, avoiding food product wastes in case of production gaps, or at the beginning and end of the baking cycle. Our spiral design is so flexible that customers can choose where to place the infeed section to exploit heat stratification. Integrated steam system is a further option element. Our baking chambers can include steaming tunnels, which on average cover 15% of the length of steel mesh and allow operators to set and control parameters such as humidification, pressure, vapor quality, and zone. Technopool's oven is designed for easy access cleaning and maintenance operations. Our innovative technology can be fully customized according to customers' production requirements and recipes to ensure the highest product quality.